Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a box from Adventure Meals, Mountain House. They have some great food and they had some different ones this time. So let me get this box open and let's check out what we got. Okay. First off, we've got a couple of the mint ice cream sandwiches. A couple of those. And we've got beef stew. I haven't tried that one yet. Sounded good. And then chicken fajita bowl. I've had that one and I enjoy it a lot. And we got chicken and mashed potato dinner. I've been wanting to get this one and it has been out, so I'm very happy that it's back in stock. And then we have the chicken fried rice. These are most excellent. If you get a chance to go on their website, they had a sale. I think it was 20% off. I don't know if it says on my sheet here. No. Nope. But these are definitely worth checking out, especially if you can get them on sale. Their usual price is about $10. But I mean, if you look at the shelf life on these, let's see, Best Buy 2052. So I mean, definitely something you should stock up on. And they taste a heck of a lot better than MREs. Yes, you do need the water, but it's only like a cup and a half. And it's totally worth it. And the ice cream sandwiches I just got for fun. So we'll see how those are. And that's all for me today. I will be checking out the chicken and mashed potato dinner in a future video. Please check that out. If you like my video, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on my next adventure. Have a good one.